It's Maker March. Have you ever wanted to build your own boomerang that can fly away from you and come right back? Well, today I'm going to help you build your own boomerang. There are kits available while supplies last at the Fountaindale Public Library during the month of March. Otherwise, just follow the simple directions and you should be able to build one on your own. Let's get started. Included in your kit, you will find 3 tongue depressor large craft sticks, not the popsicle sticks, the whiter ones is what you'll need. You'll need the pattern, which is included in your kit. And these are the patterns for the airfoils. Now, I printed all of these on cardstock, so you can skip using these as a pattern on a manila envelope, which is what I used, or manila file folder, which is what I used to make my example. So you can actually make it on this. You can use this. So all you need to do to get started is to cut the airfoil pieces out. So you just need to cut each one of these rectangles out. Okay, so the first step we will need to do is to make the airfoils. Now the airfoils are what will make the boomerang rotate back towards you. These are very important to have. There are instructions in your kit, very detailed pictured instructions. So if you cannot follow along, it's not a big deal. You can get that information from the kit. So the first thing you're going to do is fold it over like that. Okay, just like that. And then these will be taped. Now at this point, it doesn't really matter which way you do this. You just need to get them taped on there. And then this should pull out like that. Okay, we're going to do the next one. You can do them all based on the same blade if you want. Now you can see how that will pull out just like that. Okay, so we have our airfoils over here, all ready to go. Now I want you to grab your pattern, and as you can see, there's 3 spokes, and they fit your sticks just like this. Oh, heat up a glue gun. You might want to use a glue gun for this. It's much easier. So you're going to take, I have mine already hot, and you don't want this to cool. You want to get the glue on there and get your stick on there as quickly as possible. So I just squirt the glue, and we're going to put our first one on right away and get it right to where it needs to go. And follow your pattern. Push down as tight as you can, like that. Okay, now we're going to do the next one. Big dollop of glue there. The next one will be down here. Now remember, I want to get that on there. Just like that. Okay. So as you can see, it has made a spoke just like that. Okay, now one of the last things we will need to do, make sure that what we have here is facing the correct direction. So I want you to take your 3 sticks and spin them on a flat surface, just like that. Okay, make sure you're spinning them on the flat surface like that. Does it move well? Flip it over. Spin it again. Ooh, do you hear that? Ooh, that is really not spinning very well. So this is your good axis right here. So I'm going to put a T here. Okay? That's your better one. Okay, that's the one you want the T to be on. See, listen to mine. Ooh, I'm knocking mine all over the place. Like that, and then here's my example one, right? So there was drag on that one. And mine was pretty even, but this one ended up having the less of the drag. So once you have figured out which one has the less drag, that will become your bottom, not T for top. I don't know why they used T. You're going to want to put your airfoil on it like this. This is for right-handed people. If you are left-handed, you will flip it over and do it like this. So you'll be just the opposite. So I'm setting it up for right-handed because I am right-handed. And then put this on just like that. Now, I have found that if I do not put a little bit of tape on each of the spokes, just like that, it doesn't have to be as big as what I just did. It could be just a little tiny piece of tape right there, there, and there. If I don't put the tape on there, these go flying when I throw it. And there you have it, your very own boomerang. I almost forgot to show you one last step when you're making your boomerang. The little tips, when you have it facing up with your T facing you on the table, you just want to clip these little tips off, just like that. Not the folded edge, this is the edge, the extra edge. So it looks like that. Now you can clip them off or you could fold it up. You could add, yeah, folding up would work too, just like a little tip. Okay, so I just want to talk to you about how to throw these. Now there's a lot of videos online so you can look at other people throwing them outside. Inside it's really hard to do this. I'm filming this in February and we have just been having snowstorm after snowstorm, so I am not going outside to show you this. But like I said, at the end of this video you're going to see Miss Rosemary throw it and she does a pretty good job of it. I'm going to show you the basics of it. I don't know that I'll be able to get it to come back to me. So you don't want to go like this, and you don't want to go like this. It's almost more like a swoop, like this. If you've ever thrown a Frisbee, it is similar to throwing a Frisbee, I have noticed. And that T, the T that you put on there, you want that facing down, away from you. So if you have yourself like this, that's the T right there. If I hold it out, the T is facing down. I know, it seems weird. You're going to have the T facing away from you. And so then you just kind of go like this. And it comes right back. That actually would have worked if we didn't have a ceiling. So the best thing is to do this without a ceiling. So obviously, outside. Now let me do this one real quick. I'm just going to throw this one together. I know they'll probably come flying off, but I want to throw one more for you. Okay, remember T down here. Okay? And it does almost come right back. Remember, T facing down and throw. And you should have fun with this engineering challenge too.